We're gonna disable the auto light. First, you have to remove the cover. Hold this and wait for 2 flashes. 1, 2. Good. So make sure you press that all the way down. This little button right here. You see? There's a little button here. Press it down. And then wait for 2 light flashes. All you gotta do is press this button and wait for 5 lights on. It'll make it 30 minutes before it's automatic turn off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the light will not be on unless you physically turn on, and the lights will be off 30 minutes later.